Now pre-medieval period we will study. So theory part you can read. I am going to reverse engineering with the question answer. Here you can stop video and you can read this theory part. Okay. So now first question is, who among the following rules is famous as Prithviraj Chauhan? Which ruler is Prithviraj third? Remember this. Okay. UPSC 2010 they asked this. Okay. Remember this. Mhm. Ruler of Ajmer, Prithviraj III, commonly known as the Prithviraj Chauhan, defeated Command Gori in the first battle of Tarain, okay, 1191. Okay. But faced defeat in the second battle of Tarain in 1192. Okay. And with say not yes. So the brave Chauhan ruler of Ajmer who conquered Delhi and annexed it into kingdom was Vigraraj IV. Okay, kingdom. Vigraraj IV was the most powerful ruler of the Chauhan Grand Dynasty. He conquered the nearby region and increased the boundaries of the empire. He trumped over the Tomras and took possession of eastern Punjab and Delhi. He owned over the Muslim ruler of Punjab. Okay. Epigraphic record inscriptions suggest that in ancient India, the ruler of Bihar had contact with Java Samudra. Okay. The Pala king Devapal was Buddhist. He was also known as the Param Sogat. As per the text, he donated 5 villages at the request of Java king Balpdev of Sailendra dynasty for developing a Buddhist Bihar in Nalanda. Okay. The ruler of Suvarnabhumi, who founded a Buddhist monastery at Nalanda and requested Devapal through his ambassador to grant 5 villages for the maintenance. He is Palaputradev. Okay. Founded a Buddhist monastery at Nalanda and requested Devapal through his ambassador to grant 5 villages for his. It is Balaputradev. Balaputradev was the ruler of Suvarnabhumi who founded a Buddhist monastery at Nalanda and requested Devapal to grant 5 villages for its maintenance. Kumar Devi, a queen of Govinda Chandra Gaharwal, constructed Dharma Chakra Jain Vihar at Sarnath. Queen of Govinda Chandra Garhwal, Kumar Devi was a Buddhist. She constructed Dharma Chakra Jain Vihar in Sarnath. According to Hamir Mahakavya, the Chauhans were Suryavanshis. Hamir Epic reports Chauhans as Suryavanshi. According to Hamir Epic, Chauhans were the sections of Chaman, the son of Sun. They were one of the 4 fire clans. Allah Udal were related to Mahoba. Allah and Uda belonged to Mahoba. They were commandants of Chandel king Parmar Dev Parmal 1165-1213, who died during the battle with Prithviraj Chauhan. Describing of Chandel and Chauhan terrifying struggle is provided in Prithviraj Raso by Chand Bardai and Ala Kand of Parmar Raso. Okay. Who is the author of 1 minute? Who is the author of Alaknand? Allakhand. Okay. Jagnik. Alakhand. Jagnik. The author of Prithviraj Raso is Chand Bardai. Okay. Who is the author of Prithviraj Vijaya Jayanaka? The author of Prithviraj Vijaya is Jayanaka. Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Abdul Rahman Amir Raso. Wrong. Chand Bardai by Prithviraj Raso. Jaganik Allakhand wrote. Narpanthi Nalla wrote Vishal Dev Raso. Sarang Dev wrote Hamir Raso. Okay. Sarangdev wrote. Which are the following Rajput dynasty founded the city of Delhi in the 8th century AD? Tomar dynasty founded the Delhi dynasty. Angpal Tomar ruled Rajput Tomar dynasty. Originally hereditary of the Gurjar Pradiyar founded the city of Dhillika, founded Delhi. Jejak Bhukti was the ancient name of Bundelkhand. Jejak Bhukti. Jejak Bhukti was the ancient name of Bundelkhand. This region was named after Jai Sakti or Jejak, grandson of Nannuk, founder of Chandel king. Dangadev was the ruler of which dynasty? Chandela of Jejak Bhukti. Jejak Bhukti, name of Bundelkhand. Dangadev, also known as Danga, was king of Chandel dynasty of Jejak Bhukti. He built the Kandarya Mahadev temple. Danga attained moksha by abandoning his body in the waters of Ganga and Yamuna at Sangam Prayagraj. Arrange the names of the following rulers in correct chronological order and select them. So first came Yasovarman. Second came Vidyadharana. Third came Kirtivarman. Fourth came which one? Danga. Okay. So you can like go with that. So first will come Yasodharman. So third option, then two option, then one option. Okay. Okay. Chronological order. This third is fourth. So A will be the answer. The correct chronological order is Yasovarman 925 950, Dhangadev 950 to 1000, Vidyadharana 1017 and Kirtivarman 1000. It's not possible to remember everything, just know the nearby age, like Kirtivarman around 1100 AD. Okay, and Yasovarman is 980. Who among the following built Tribhuvan Narayan temple of Chittor? Is Parmar Raja Bhoj. Okay. The Samideswar temple was built by Parmar Raja Bhoj of Malwa. This temple is known as the Tribhuvan Narayan temple and Bhoj Jagti. Three-face idol of Lord Shiva is placed inside temple, which is very similar to the main idol of Lord Shiva of Elephanta Caves of Mumbai. Kundravardhan Bhukti was located in North Bengal. Kundravardhan Bhukti was located in the region of North Bengal in ancient times. Its territory was expanded to northern Bihar during the era of Pala, Chandra and Sena dynasty. Who was the founder of Pala dynasty? Gopala. Gopal was the founder of Pala dynasty. According to the Tibetan historian Lama Taratnath Gopala, the founder of Pala dynasty, was born near Kundravardhan and was elected the king of Bengal. In which among the following state Udanpuri Education Center was situated? It is in Bihar. Okay, Udanpuri. So it is B. Udanpuri, that is also known as Udanapuri. Udanapuri was a prominent education center during ancient period. It was situated in Bihar and established by Palakul Gopal. Remember, the Gopal founded this Udanpuri University. Who among the following had built the Somarpur Mahavir? It is Dharmpal. Dharmpal was an enthusiastic Buddhist. He was also called the Param Saugat. In his inscriptions, he constructed famous Buddhist monasteries at Vikramshila and Dharmpal established Vikramshila University at Bhagalpur. Remember this, they asked many times. And Sompuri, Paharpur. Renowned Buddhist commentator Hari Bhadra was also part of his court. According to Taranath, Dharmpal founded 50 religious schools, but he had no religious intolerance and bigotry as a king. Okay. Okay. Which ruler of Bengal founded the ancient university called Vikramshila? Simple, Dharmpal. Remember, is very important. Asked BR UPSC many times. King Dharpal 770 AD to 810 AD of Bengal established Vikramshila University. Okay. King Dharpal established Vikramshila University. Okay. After the downfall of Nalanda University, Vikramshila University was developed as the main center of our Buddhist religion. Okay, after downfall, then Vikramshila established. Vikramshila University was established by Dharmpal. King BPSC 2022 it was asked. King Dharmpal of Pala dynasty established the Vikramshila University. After Nalanda University degraded, it became the main center of Buddhist studies. Who founded the Vikramshila University? Dharmpal. Okay. Who founded the Vikramshila University? Dharmpal. Vikramshila Mahavihar was established by the ruler of Pala dynasty. Okay. Vikramshila University by Pala dynasty. Which one of the following ruler established Vikramshila University? It is Dharmpal. Vikramshila Mahavira, a great center of education in ancient India, was established by Dharmpal. Who among the following founder Vikram? Simply Dharmpal. In which modern district university of Vikramshila? Bhagalpur, Bihar. Okay. Vikramshila University was established by Pala ruler Dharmpal at Bhagalpur. Remember the district of BPSC name giving in Bihar. Vikramshila's curriculum taught formalized Vedic learning, including Vedic text rituals and the Vedangas such as reasoning, medicine, law, astronomy, and city planning. Consider the following statement regarding the Vikramshila University in Bihar. It was located in the present day Banka district. Bihar, not Banka. It is Bhagalpur. So first remove first. So which is incorrect? They are saying incorrect one. So first incorrect. It's not will be there. Okay. So it was established by King Gopala. It's also incorrect. Okay, so 1 and 2. The Vajrayana sect of Buddhism flourished here, correct. Other subjects like grammar, law are taught. So 1 and 2 is wrong. So that will be this BPSC 2023 ask this. See the answer. Vikramshila University located at Bhagalpur and not in Banka. It was established by Dharmpala, Pala dynasty, not Gopala first. Which of the following kings was elected directly by the public? Who were elected directly? Gopala and Narasimhavarman Pallav Malla. So only 2 and 4. Founder of Pala dynasty, Gopala and Pallav ruler Nandivarman Pallav Malla were elected directly by the public. Okay. Harshvardhan, we know it, monarchy was there, so it can't be the answer. First year will be removed, this removed HD. Okay. Yasovarman also did during that time, so 4 removed. No, this is third removed, yes, third removed. Okay. Kalimpur inscriptions of Dharmpal describes the elections of the Gopala by people to overcome Matsya law. Okay. Matsya law of jungle. After the unexpected death of the Pallava ruler Parameswaram Varman, people elected Nandi Varman Pallava Malla as the king. Which one of the following places was not the center of learning during the early medieval period? Taxila. It was not early medieval, it was an ancient period in 600 BC around. Okay. Taxila was an early Buddhist center of learning. Taxila was a capital of Gandhara state located in present day Rawalpindi district of Pakistan. Chanakya, Kautilya, the Maurya Emperor Chandragupta, the Ayurvedic healer Charaka, and Jivaka studied at Taxila. The Veda and 18 arts, which included skills such as the archery, elephant lore, were taught. Nalanda University was established in 5th century AD by Kumargupta. At the beginning of 12th century, the Muslim invader Bakhtiyar Khilji sacked the university, destroyed this Nalanda University. Dharmpal established Vikramshila University in 770 to 810 AD in Bhagalpur, Bihar. University of Udhanpur established during the rule of Pala dynasty. Remember this by Gopala. Who among the following laid the foundation of Rashtrakuta Empire? Which one? Dantidurg. Dantidurg founded the Rashtrakuta Empire. In 736 AD, Dantidurg laid the foundation of the Rashtrakuta Empire. His capital was Mannakhet. Okay, Mannakhet was capital. Okay, Dantidurg established. It is said that Dantidurg had performed Hiranyagarbha oblation in Ujjain. Who out of the following performed a ritual called Hiranyagarbha? Dantidurg performed this. Who among the following was born in a military camp in the course of his father's campaign? It is Amogh Vars Rajkot. Rajkot King Amogh Vars first was born in 800 AD in Sri Bhavan near Narmada River in military camp after when his father Govind III was returning after successful campaign of North India. The greatest Patyar king was Mihir Bhoj. Remember this Mihir Bhoj is from the great Gurjar Patyar, and other is from Parma dynasty. That was only Bhoj. He is Bhoj first. The greatest Patyar king was Mihir Bhoj. Okay, Mihir from Patyar dynasty. Dharmapal was prominent king of Pala dynasty, 810 AD. Okay. Mayan's first during 885 was Pratihar monarch, while Harshavardhan was king of Pushyabhut dynasty, 606 AD during. Adivaraha was the title of which ruler? Adivaraha was title of which ruler? It is Mihir Bhoj, Adivaraha. Okay. Mihir Bhoj first was the most powerful ruler among the Gurja Padhara. He was a follower of Vaishnavism. He attained the titles of Adivaraha and Prabhas. What is not true about King Mihir Bhoj? He was the son of Nagbhatta II. Okay, not true. Kannauj was the capital of which kingdom? Correct. Arab traveler Al-Masudi gave him name of King Barua. Not, he came in 1000 AD. How it can be it? So only one is wrong. Okay. Emperor Rambhadra and Queen Appadevi gave birth to the renowned ruler Raja Mihir Bhoj, who is considered one of the greatest monarchs in history. Mihir Bhoj reconstructed a Pratihar empire, seized control of Kannauj around 836 AD, and established it as the capital. Al-Masudi, a native of Baghdad who visited Gujarat in 10th century AD, testified to the great power and prestige of the Pratihara rulers and vastness of their empire. He caused the Gurja Pratihara kingdom Al-Jujar and the king Baura, probably a mispronunciation of Adivaraha, the title used for Bhoj, although Bhoj had died by that time. Bhoj was not there at that time. Okay. Arrange the following in chronological order. So first came Vatsaraj. Okay. Then second, then third will be this one. Then last Maipal or Maipal before B will be the answer. So like this, Vasaraj first in 775 AD, then Nagbhatta second 800 AD around, Mahendra Pal 885 AD, then Mahipal is in 912 AD around. Which are the following rulers does not belong to Gurja Padhara dynasty? Which one? Bharat Bhattai not belong to that. Okay, otherwise Nagbhatta first second, Mahendra Pal first, and Dev Pal is related with the Gurja Padhara. The Gurja Pratihara dynasty, also known as the Pratihara dynasty, was an imperial power during the last classical period on the Indian subcontinent that ruled much of the northern India from mid-8th to 11th century. They ruled first at Ujjain and later at Kannauj. The ruler of this dynasty were as follows: Nagbhatta first, then Vatsaraj 775, then Nagbhatta second 800, then Mir Bhoj first 836. Mir Bhoj important 836 around. Then Mahendra Pal first 8-1, then Dev Pal last came 948. Okay. Arab traveler Suleiman visited India in the reign of Pratihar king Bhoj first. That is Mir Bhoj. Mir Bhoj also known as Bhoj first. Remember this important. Don't be confused with Bhoj of Parmar dynasty. Okay. Was a Gurja Pratihar dynasty. The Arab traveler Suleiman visited during his reign. Okay. Bhoj one. The great Jain scholars Hemchand adorned the court of Kumar Pal. The eminent Jain scholar Hemchand got fame during the period of Solanki king Jaisimha Siddharaj. However, he adorned the court of his successor Kumar Pal. Okay, as an advisor. Who among the following is credited with initiating a new Samvat? Lakshman Sen. Lakshman Sen 1178 to 1206 AD was the king of Sen dynasty, reigned 28 years. He initiated a new Samvat called Lakshman Samvat. The Lakshman era was started by which of the following dynasty is Senaj? Who among the following were famous jurists of medieval India? Famous jurist. Which one? C. 1, 2, and 4 were famous jurist. Okay, the Vigyan Vesara, Rajasekhara, and Jimutwana. He was the famous jurist. Okay, just know the specifics. Difficult name. The famous jurists of early medieval India were Hemadri, Vigyaneswara, and Jimutwana. Vigyaneswara wrote Mitakshara. And Jimutwana wrote Daya Bhaga. Okay. Rajsekhara, court scholars of Gurja Pratihara king Mahendra Pala first and his and his son Maipal first. Then he compiled text like Karpur Manjari. Okay. Rajsekhar compiled Karpur Manjari, Kavyamamsa and Vidyasalabhanjika, Bal Ramayana and Bhuvanko sister. Following senior rulers of Bengal in ascending order. Then ascending order, which means which come first. First came Hemant Sen, then Vijay Sen. Okay. Then which come? Then Ballal Sen. Okay. Then Lakshman Sen. So this will be the answer. First Hemant Sen will come. Okay. Sen king succeeded one another from father to son. The names and order of succession were established by inscriptions like Samant Sen, then Hemant Sen, then Vijay Sen, then Vallal or Balla Sen. Okay. And Lakshman Sen and Viswarup Sen. The great Sanskrit poet and dramatist Rajsekhar was in the court of B. Maipal and Mahendrapal first. The Rajsekhar was a court scholar of Gurjar Patihara King Mahendra Pal first and his son Maipal first. He compiled texts like Karpur Manjari, Kavyamamsa, and Vidyasala Bhanjika, Bal Ramayan, Bhuvan Kos, etc. Which of the following books was not written by Rajsekhara? Prabandh Chintamani is not written by Rajsekhara wrote Kavyamamsa, Karpur Manjari, Vidyasala Bhanjika. Okay, MPPC 2025 asked. 2025 this year they asked this. Match list first, wage list second. Okay. So Pratihar will be Kannauj. Gurjar Pratihar fought with the Kannauj, no? Okay. Gurjar Pratihar, Kannauj. And then Chola related with which one? Tanjore. Then Parmar related with Ayalwad. Solanki related with which one? No. This Parmar related with this one. Third one, Dharam. Okay, in Gujarat. Solanki related with Anilwad. Nagbhatta first is considered as the founder of Pratihara dynasty, but the actual founder, Nagbhatta first, considered the founder of Pratihara dynasty. Remember this. But the actual founder of this dynasty was Vatsaraj. Mir Bhoj was the most prominent ruler of Pratihara dynasty. The capital of Pratihara was Kannauj. Vijayalaya was established the Chola Empire. Capital of Pratihara was Kannauj. Vijayalaya was established the Chola Empire in 9th century. Tanjore was the capital of Chola. Remember this. The real founder of Parmar dynasty was Siak II. Okay. Siak II, and the capital of Parmar was Dhara. Chalukya were Agni clan lineage founded by Moolaraj first. The capital of Solanki was Anilwad. So now, how many pair correctly matched? Nannuk and Jaisakti Parmar, Nagbhatta second, Gurjar Patihar. Bhoja is Rajput. Bhoja is Parmar dynasty, na? So, Nagbhatta second, correct. Okay, so only two is present. Nannuk, correct. The Jaisakti is from Chandel dynasty, not Parmar. Okay, so only two option is correct. Nannuk was founder of Chandel dynasty. Okay, so and Jaisakti was ruler of Chandel dynasty. Nagbhatta second was ruler of Gurjar Patihar, and Bhoja was a Parmar ruler. Okay, Gurjar Patihara dynasty was founded by Naghvash first. Patihar dynasty was the most famous dynasty of Rajputs of Agni clan. It is also known as the Gurjar Patihara dynasty because of its link with Gurjaraj. Gurjaraj were first mentioned in the Ayol inscriptions of Pulkesin II, as well as in Harcharita Banbhat. Nagbhatta first, 730 to 756 AD, was the founder of this dynasty. He destroyed the army of Malekcha ruler, and thus he also saved Western India from the Arabs' invasion. It's mentioned in the Gwalior inscriptions. Which were the three dynasties that were engaged in the tripartite struggle for Kannauj? Here, Pal ruler were there, Gurjara were there, and Rashtrakuta were there. Okay, so 2, 3, 4. After the death of Harsa, Kannauj was the center of attraction for various powerful dynasties. It was compared with Magadha during the Gupta period in order to control this territory. Pala, Gurjar, Patiala, Pala, remember this theory, Pala, Gurjar, and Rajputa started a tripartite struggle, which has been described as the most important event in the history of North India during the 8th 9th century. Finally, Patiala came out the winner. Remember this. Patiala won this. Who among the following was not a part of the tripartite struggle? Pula was not the one. Okay. Mahoday is old name of Kanno Mahodaya. Which of the following was known as Nagar Mahodaya Sri? Kannauj. Kannauj is an ancient city whose ancient name was Mahoday Sri and Mahoday is during the reign of Mihir Bhoj. Which of the following not correctly matched and the cities of Uttar Pradesh and present status? So Koil is Aligarh correct, Mohsanagar Mahoba correct, Mahoday Sri Kannauj, Jijagurti Kannauj, Kausambi not correct. Kohli Aligarh, Mohsanagar Mahoba, Mahoday Sri Kannauj and Jijagurti Bundelkhand. Remember the Jijagurti in Bundelkhand. Which one of the following Rashtrakuta kings defeated Patiala ruler Nagvat II is Govind III. Rashtrakuta ruler. Govind III was the successor of Rashtrakuta king Dhruv after Dhruv. Okay. After consolidating his position in South India, he attacked North India during his North India campaign. He attacked Gurjar Patiala ruler Nagvat II and defeated him. Okay. Sanjan and Radhapuran copper plate inscription mentioned his victory. Okay. Who among the following granted financial aid for restoration of demolished mosque in Khambat? Who among the following granted financial aid for the restoration of a demolished mosque in Khambat is Jaisimha Siddharajan. Chalukya king Jaisimha Siddharaja was a tolerant religious king. Muslim author Muhammad Aufi wrote that he granted financial aid of 1 lakh Bailam currency for the restoration of demolished mosque in Khambat. Who was the founder of Parmar dynasty? Which one? Parmar dynasty founded in 9th century by a person named Upendra Krishnaraj. Okay. City named Dhara was the capital of Parmar dynasty. Remember this? They asked sometime. Okay. So option B is the Kanakpal. As the answer, whether the correct answer is Upendra Krishnaraj. King Bhoj ruled over Dhara from Parmar dynasty. King Bhoj was a Parmar ruler. The early capital of Parmar was Ujjain. Later, the capital was transferred to Dhara. After the death of King Bhoj, scholars said, Adyan Dhara, Nira Dhara, Niralamba Saraswati, Pandita, Khandita, Sarv. English is not important. Who among the following wrote a book on artificial scientific equipment? Bhoja. Bhoja wrote artificial equipment. The popular book Samarangana Sutradhara, written by Parmar King Bhoja, was based on artificial scientific equipment. Saraswati Kathabharam, Siddhanta Sangrahara, Yoga Sutra Vritti, Raja Martanda, Yukti Karpatru, and Karucharya are some of his masterpieces. Okay. The presiding deity. Wait, let's see. Bhoja. Presiding deity of Bhojsala temple is Goddess Saraswati. Bhojsala temple is located in the Dhar district of Madhya Pradesh and was established by Parmar King Bhoj in 1035 AD as Sanskrit school. The presiding deity of Bhojsala temple is Goddess Saraswati. Now Bhojsala temple is situated at the premise of Kamal Maula Mosque. Who among the following was not a king of Parmar dynasty? Gangadev not a right. Apandra Munj and Udayitwa Parmar dynasty. Gangadev was a ruler of Kalachuri dynasty. He adopted the title of Vikramaditya. He started issuing gold coins after the extension of pre-medieval period. Upendra Munj and Udayadit were rulers of Parmar dynasty. Who among the following writers has given the descriptions of Kalachuri ruler? Ganga Gangedev and his capital Tripuri. Gangedev and his capital Tripuri is Al-Biruni wrote about this. Arab writer and geographer Al-Biruni is known for providing a description of Kalachuri ruler Gangadev and his capital Tripuri. Al-Biruni was a Khwarizmian Iranian scholar. Remember this Iranian and polymath during Islamic Golden Age. He wrote a treatise on Indian culture called Tarikh-e-Hind. Remember this book is very important by Al-Biruni. Tarikh-e-Hind. Then famous place and regions. Okay, so Rayalaseema. Rayalaseema is Tirupati. So fifth. So what they are correctly matched. Okay, correctly matched. Nasi Malwa, Sirdi Vidarbha, Khajuraho, Bundelkhand. Okay, both are in Bagelkhand. Okay, so which one is correct? 2 and 5 only. So Khajuraho, Bundelkhand and Tirupati in Rayalaseema. Okay, so both are in Bihar. Khajuraho in Bundelkhand, Sirdi in Maharashtra, Nasik in Maharashtra, Tirupati in Maharashtra, Rayalaseema, Andhra Pradesh. The author of Gauravaho was Bakpati. Gauravaho was a third by Bakpati, who was a court poet of the king Kannauj, Yashovarman. With reference to the economic history of the medieval India, the term Arghattam refers to water well used for the irrigation of land. It was asked this year also in pre-IS pre. Water will used for the irrigation of land. Remember this Arghatta is will. Okay, it is will. Water will for the irrigation of land. Arghatta is a Persian wheel which is a mechanical water lifting device usually operated by animals like bullocks, buffalo, or camels used in the irrigation of land. Okay. It is mentioned in the Panchatantra and Rastarangani. Which Sultan was reputed to be Akbar of Kashmir? It is Sultan Jainu Abdin. Okay. 2018 BPSC. In 14 and 28, brother of Ali Sai Khan sat on the Sai Khan sat on the throne of Kashmir with the name of Jainul Abidin. Jainul Abidin. He was greatest ruler of Kashmir who ruled for nearly 50 years on account of his liberal religious policy, promotion of learning and interest in the art and architecture. He was called Akbar of Kashmir. Jainul Abidin. Okay. What was the original name of the ruler of Kashmir? Jainul Abidin. It is Shahi Khan. It is Shahi Khan. So it is D69 is Hudi. Who was the founder of Karnat dynasty? It is Nanyadev. Founder of Karnat dynasty was Nanyadev. He was a great warrior. He established the capital in Simrungad and ruled the Mithila region. Who was the last king of the Karnat dynasty? It is Harisimha. Last king of Karnat dynasty. Harisimha was the last ruler of the Karnat dynasty. He was a great protector of art and literature. He started the Panji system. Information about which king is found in the Kuruspal inscription. Someshwar first. Kuruspal village is located in Bastar district in Chhattisgarh. That's why they asked in the Chhattisgarh PCS. A number of inscriptions are found here. Kuruspal is 2 inscription of Someshwar. It is much related. It records the grant by the king Someshwarvadam Nagavamsa village whose name cannot be made out. Kuruspal tank slab of Dharna Mahadevi. The inscription which is built in one of the steps of the tank in Kuruspal record the grant of land situated near Kalamba village to god Kameswara Shiv by the queen Dharna Mahadevi during the reign of King Someshwara Dev. Someshwar first. Okay. Now medieval history of India I will teach later. So this is the ancient history is finished here, and you can watch also, and I will upload other video of medieval and modern another lecture and subsequent time, but I will upload this ancient history, so you can study by watching this. Okay, and it is a comprehensive. So after it I will start medieval history of India here. So it is a comprehensive ancient history, so you can study it. You can like, subscribe if you like it, so you can read it, and while watching this you can have a note with you, and you can write the broad point like heading another important point while watching this marathon, then it will be effective. Otherwise, you will sleep while watching. Okay, I watch this also. So thank you very much.